Hey team, this week's adventure was born from a wild idea of Zoe's and a wilder weather forecast. Hey team, welcome to our next adventure. Today we're coming to you from Kanangra-Boyd National Park. This week we're trading the ocean for the mountains, driving 3 hours from our backyard in search for something truly magical. It's super beautiful. Just southwest of Sydney, and we're getting dumped with snow. The forecast came through early in the week, and so we decided to head up last night and battle the epic storm and wind last night to wake up to this. It's Ready? Zoe's biggest dream to wake up to a winter wonderland, and I'm on a mission to make this happen. So this week we're heading deep into Kanangra-Boyd National Park, where the forecast promises a powerful blizzard tonight and a massive dump of snow by the morning. Join us as we explore the Blue Mountains Botanical Gardens before finding a perfect spot to camp. We'll wake up to a completely transformed campsite, four-wheel drive through a frozen landscape, and hike the iconic Kanangra Walls. This is what adventures are all about. So like and subscribe now, guys, and sit back and enjoy. See you later. Zoe, you can't come, it's National Park. Bye-bye. Where are you off to, Martin?
Camp, we're hoping to see snow.
Yeah.
I'm going for 2 days.
Camping in the snow. Are you excited about the snow?
Yep.
Any other feelings about the snow?
Yep. I want to taste snow.
You want to taste snow? What do you think it's going to taste like?
Water. As you could see, we were just driving into the Botanic Gardens, and as you can see now, we're in it. Pretty windy here. Wow. This is so magical. It's like you do.
Where's the shadow on it?
Oh my God. 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
In the morning or the afternoon?
It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Scribbly gum.
Some pretty cool things in here, isn't there?
Yeah.
Woo. What? I'm going through like a cave. This place is pretty cool.
So we're just about to walk through a magical artway. Follow me. So the water comes through here. It goes down there to the creek.
Wow.
Oh, feels refreshing. Feel it not.
Oh.
It's really clear. It's so clear.
What? It's so cold.
Sometimes the most beautiful discoveries happen when you're not looking for them. On our way to Kanangra-Boyd, we found ourselves drawn to these gardens. This is honestly the perfect place to stop when you're heading over the mountains. Get out, stretch those legs, and grab yourself a snack from the cafe.
And now we are. It goes over the road. Wow.
Oh, Munchie, check that out!
Whoa.
Wow! Look at that view! Hey, Munch! Oh, so steep. What? So much for a shortcut. Whoa. This is insane. You're happy now. And this is supposedly a two-way road. Yeah. Here it is, mountain weather in all its glory. Sun, rain, rainbows, dark clouds. Wow. But the question is, will this wild weather bring us snow? We are super hoping so. What does your window feel like?
Cold.
How cold?
Like 10 degrees.
10 degrees, it's a good estimate. Here we are, Kanangra-Boyd National Park. Fingers crossed for snow. Wow, look how beautiful it is!
It's still 5 degrees. It's 5 degrees.
That is actually so beautiful. It's so close to snow, guys. Oh my god, that's cool. So freshman. We're super sheltered from the hectic wind that we had today, I think because we're down behind a little ridge and temperature's dropping pretty fast, so we're going to get set up and get super warm, ready for snow. So we've got extra sleepy bags for tonight, Munchie, for the snow.
You know, it almost looks like it's the forest, the green floor, like the leaves at the bottom, or like the twinkly stars. It's like, this is awesome. The rocks in.
Hey, so this is the girls' tent, and we're all set up and nice and snuggy up here, while poor Daddy is
in the tent. So, I don't know if you've noticed, but our tent is on top of the truck.
So I found a free camp just off the side on a fire road.
Wait, this is a fire road?
Yeah. That's
And there's
beautiful.
lots of rocks, so I have to like Oh, find the perfect one. Dig it out with my stick.
And we're super hopeful for rain. I mean, for rain.
The snow.
The snow.
It's gonna snow till early morning, and Mama's got a video it.
Snack time!
So what I've got is lamb chops, which I love. They're my favorite meat.
What are they?
Strawberries, my favorite meat.
Okay.
Strawberries, which are my favorite berry. Dried apple, which is my favorite type of apple. And those chocolates, I just tried one. They're really good. And try these two. I'm gonna try some prosciutto again. And then I really like that cheese, so I'm gonna put some cheese on here. That's one.
You got it?
Hello.
Okay.
Was that really bright? Hello.
We're off on a night adventure to keep us nice and warm. See what's through this gate.
Warm that on the train?
Is it?
No.
Ah. It's so cold that I've had to put my snowboarding pants over my lined tights and thermals. There we go. So yeah, it's got dark really quickly. We didn't find a view and the track just goes downhill forever, hey much. So we're gonna head back to the truck and get nice and snug, ready for snow dump tomorrow. Yoo-hoo! I successfully started the fire with
And
wet
we're
wood.
having stew for dinner. Right.
What are we having for dinner?
Stew.
Mmm, yum, yum, yum.
Like hot stew because it's really, really, really cold. So tomorrow we're going to do some snow angels. Taste some snow, but it's going to taste like water,
How do you know that?
I think.
We'll test that tomorrow
Yeah.
and let you guys know.
The fire's really warming me up. Warming you up, Mum?
Yeah.
There's snow. Oh my god, there's covered in snow. Looks like a giant rock. Daddy's hand looks like a giant rock. Prepare to get out in the freezing cold snow.
Here it goes. Well, the door's. Oh my god, the door's probably. I think the door's frozen. Well, the door's. Oh, ready?
What?
It's actually snowing, Archie. There's actually snow in the air.
Oh my god!
What? What? This is amazing. We're going to get Daddy out of his head.
But I don't know where the zipper is. Oh my god, that's a huge fucking door. Ah!
What? Look at the car, Munchie. Isn't it amazing? It's on the top of the trees, Munchie. Wow.
Nothing.
Oh, it's so soft. What's it taste like?
Frozen water.
Waking up in this incredible, beautiful world, I couldn't miss the opportunity to get some amazing aerial footage. Now, my drone has been into some serious windy situations, so I thought she would be okay. But at this point, when my drone got thrashed across the valley to some unknown location, I thought I'd made the most horrible mistake in my photography life. Luckily, I somehow managed to find camp and fight the drone back through the savage winds to land her safely next to me. How's it going, guys?
Mom, snowman.
Ah. It's blizzarding! But it's a rainbow! It's so beautiful. So beautiful, but the wind is making it a little bit hard to make anything. So we've managed to get Zoe some porridge and at least some hot water for some Botanic coffee. Just the sachet coffee. It's the only one I seem to like because I'm a coffee snob. But actually making a proper coffee this morning I don't think is going to happen until this wind stops, but it's supposed to stop soon. Too close, too close. Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy. How was last night camping?
Great.
Great. She slept through it. It was insane. The wind was so bad. There's something about me and camping with the wind. I didn't get much sleep, but I'm so glad it was snowing this morning because battling through the wind last night to wake up to nothing would have been a bit disappointing. But yeah, this is well worth it. This is well worth the horrible night's sleep in those insane winds. It was okay. We were sheltered. Just these gusts would come through and you'd hear it coming and building in the trees like, and then it'll just hit the side of the truck. Ah, yeah, my heart every time, hey. It just grabbed little Munchkin, hug her in tight. Hey, Munch, look out the termite mount.
Whoa! So cool.
Oh, icy? Look at it, Mummy.
Oh,
Wow.
It's more like a slushy, huh, Munch?
Slushy puddle. Oh, look, Munchie, that just freezes. Which direction do you reckon the wind was blowing last night when the snow was coming down? The snow's all on one side. There. Look at the next tree.
I think it was coming from that way. I know it is. Because I already knew yesterday.
I can't believe that we haven't seen anyone else while we're here. I'm just walking out from the main road. But yeah, we're in the national park and it's snowing and there's no one else around. Don't think we can get any better than this, hey? Oh, we can't even see the sign. Oh, there's a kangaroo. There's a kangaroo. Hey. Bye, Skippy.
Yeah.
Okay, now I have to pack down.
I actually
In the
got
mud.
taste of it.
The snow's not too bad. It's the mud now that it's all melted. Look at the chairs. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
So, as you can see, we've just stopped at a beautiful valley where a few kangaroos are there, and there's a lot of snow, but not much on the trees. And we're just slowly driving. So we're on our way to like some walls that are really cool. Apparently, I haven't heard about them, but my mom has. I don't know if my dad has, but yeah, we're on our way to there. And see you there. As you can see now, we're just going through a magical forest with snow on the sides of the trees and a lot of fallen trees.
Do you want some gummy bear?
There's
Morning.
Warning, park will be closed from 4th of August
Less
to
than 10 for now, are we?
18th of August to 22nd. So we are fine. Kalmung River Fire Trail.
So we're off exploring
Kalmung Fire Trail.
that one. On the website it said it was closed, but the gate was open.
And this is the trail that goes to Dingo Dell Campground, which we've always wanted to check out.
And little red robins. Yeah.
It's really magical here, as you can see, because snow makes everything magical. Me and my mom think it feels like Christmas to us. And so yeah, we'll see how far we can go through this magical area, shall we? It's really windy, bit bumpy.
So we're a little ways down the fire road, and then we've sent Daddy out to move the stick off.
Okay, girls, you are clear to drive through.
And it's still actually snowing. And my beanie makes me look bored.
So these are apples my mum and me made. They're really yum, and all you have to do is just get one of those things that you dry. I don't know what they're called.
Dehydrator.
Dehydrator, and just cut up some apples, put in there, then dry it for a bit of time, and put it in the jar. When it's in the jar, it tastes way better. As you can see, it's still really snowy, and I'm just wondering, when is it going to end?
So the adventure today is getting a little bit more four-wheel drivey, a little bit more unused trail,
And a little bit more rough.
and a little bit more rough, as Zoe says. We're definitely dropping down in elevation, losing the snow. We'll see where we go.
As you can see, this creek is flowing really fast, so my mom and dad don't like the look of it, and there's a lot of rocks in this water.
So come on. The fire road we were going to had a locked gate, so I've just kind of followed it where all the gates were open. It's come to this river. See where it's flowing super fast? It's really deep there. So we're not going to do that. So beautiful.
Yep. Now look at it from up here. Beautiful.
Yeah, so that section right there, it's really deep.
Looks like a good place to couple.
Do you know that's all the snow melting?
Really?
Yeah. Whoa, that wind. So yeah, we've got to go back all the way back to the main road and we'll head out to Kanangra-Boyd. Looks like someone camped here last night though. Would have been a nice place to camp.
Getting back in the car.
Your face is so dirty.
Some terrible size.
Just a quick one with where we camped. We found out it was actually in Jenolan State Forest. It was this little slither in between Kanangra-Boyd National Park. So super legal free camp.
Amazing hike to the woods. Cool, buddy. Oh, that's a wolf.
So much.
Whoa!
Wow, so junk. I'm color. Wow. Oh, nice. Like
So look, last time when it was you, me and Mummy, we walked all the way out to the end.
all the way up to there.
Mhm.
Oh, cool. Like that body. Ding, 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 ding. Wow.
Yes, we. I think the snow here would have melted so early this morning.
Yeah.
Whoa, big puddle.
I'm aboard. Whoa, look at this.
Beautiful, isn't it? Dance floor cave. It's just there. Definitely not a 10-minute return. I can see it from here. Do you think First Nations used to have dance, like dances here? Okay.
Not First Nations at all.
Nope, just
Just
settlers. You going there? Only for a little person. Oh, oh.
It's amazing here.
Isn't it? Look at us. We're all wind burnt. Mummy's wind burnt. Are you? At 100% am.
Wow. Am
Okay.
I wind a bit?
Yeah.
Mom!
Yeah. Is that amazing?
Yeah? Come in.
Mummy should come in.
This one's ginormous. It even connects to another tunnel.
yeah, you'll have to crawl there, I think, darling.
Oh, man.
And then can you get out down the bottom of that?
Whoa, good job.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. That down jacket. That.
Needs a wash.
Here's my pants.
That's okay. You having fun?
Yeah!
You can use that to start a fire if you need to.
Oh man, so good.
Yeah.
Oh man, I think goodness to it.
There's secret tunnels everywhere.
I think good to it here. Mom, Daddy, stand up.
What?
That was amazing. Why I think it's called this little cave because in this cave there's so much room and it's dark. So like, you know how there's parts of like dark with just it's so light,
Yeah.
like you can dance. Run, this.
I can give her a spot if they're okay with it. Only if Mummy's okay with it, Munch.
Yeah, only if Daddy spots you.
Here you go, Munch. Go no way. Stay on that photo there, darling. Just watching his feet.
Really focus, Splitches.
And
And know you're a super good rock climber.
you probably have to come down here much. You can see a bunch of good holes here. Well, that foot just there, good. Yep. Get your other foot down where my hand is here. Turn it the other way though. Good. Good girl. Yeah, that's it. Bring this foot down to here. Big step down. I think you spot it.
Sure.
Yeah, further down. Further down. Yep, there. I've got you spotted. Just shut. That's why we have spotters when we're bouldering.
How's your heart, Munchie?
What?
I know. Hey, the water's coming out of the cave into. I don't know what that is. Is that an old pipe? There's a hole up there.
Yeah, it's a really old piece of pipe.
1, 2, 3.
My window. Yeah, me too.
Oh, man.
Ready, we stop here?
And yeah.
A snow adventure done. But we're just going to say quick bye to Kanangra-Boyd and have a look at this little snowman. That someone built. He's got cucumber on him. He's got cucumber eyes.
We better put his carrot nose
And a
back
carrot
in.
Nose.
There we are.
How's that, Munchie?
Oh my God.
That's pretty funny.
Can we say bye to
Bye, snowman.
bye, Kanangra-Boyd?
Bye, Kanangra.
Oh my God. I'm taking the car.
Hey team, how amazing is our gorgeous planet? This world is full of wild, beautiful places, just waiting to be explored. And this trip was a perfect reminder for us that the greatest adventures are those last-minute spontaneous ones we create on our own. If you want to see where the dirt road takes us next, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a thing. Can't wait to share our next incredible encounter with you. Ah, you got me in the eye.
Sorry.
He disappeared for a second. We don't have much of a view there. We don't have much of a view right there.
Sometimes you just get your word mixed up.
This is awesome. This is such a good alternative to super expensive ski fields in Australia. Okay, we'll stop doing this for a second.